been on a paper chase for months.
What's good? If you clicked on this video, you already know your boy got that ECS tuning rear hatch spoiler extension. That's a mouthful right there. I'm gonna have a link in the description. I can't wait to get this on the car. I ordered it in gloss black. Let's take a look at it. So it came in this white box. That is the official name of it. This is the ECS tuning hatch spoiler extension in gloss black. Here's the numbers for it. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open real quick. Let's take a look at it. The box did have a little ding here. Hoping that didn't impact anything. I don't think it did, but let's take a look. This is what it looks like in the box. Go ahead and put that up and out of there. Now they had that huge Black Friday deal going on, so I had to cop something. I also got something else with this. Gotta wait for a future video to check that out. So let's get this out of the box. Got this nice little bubble wrap around it. Wow, that looks really good. Step back, take a look at that. That looks really good. I did notice it had a couple little scuffs here. So I just took like a little Sharpie real quick and went over that from far away. You don't see anything, but it is something to note. If you purchase one of these, just know it may have a little bit of damage on it. Honestly, for the price, I can't be upset with that. It already has the 3M tape on it. And what I'm gonna do is throw a couple extra spaces in here, because I actually purchased some out of the 3M tape, just some stronger kind. All right, so let's throw a little bit of tape on this. This is the 3M Auto super strength molding tape. This is stage 2 is what they say on it. I don't know, this stuff works really good though, so this is what I've been using for use on interior trim panels, body side moldings, rocker panels, emblems, and cladding. So this would be perfect for rear spoiler extension. And honestly, this thing is like not even a pound maybe. Let's go ahead and throw some extra 3M on here. Let's make sure this is all seated properly. There's a little bit of bubbles in there. I don't want those really. Then let's double it up. Now honestly, this isn't essential to add this on here. You can honestly just peel the tape off of here, apply it on your vehicle just the way it is. I've always known that you put a little bit of extra on it just to help it in those key areas where you don't want this flying off on the highway on you. I live in upstate New York, so we get winter up here, we get all these different things, and I don't want ice and snow and everything to cause this to come off. Now that we got this whole piece pretty much taped up, ready to go, we're gonna go over to the car, clean it off, get it ready for this to go on there. Now everyone has a different way of how they like to clean off the car. I already got the car washed, but now I know there's some waxes and sealants on here. So what I'm gonna do is actually use just some regular glass cleaner with no extra weird chemicals in it and clean it off. And that's gonna actually strip that stuff off of it. Or you can use like rubbing alcohol if you have that available. And this is just a regular microfiber cloth, a clean one. I'm gonna flip it over, wipe it down one more time. Just to make sure all those waxes and things are off of here. Now we're gonna let that flash so that way it can dry up. Now I just wanna see what it looks like with it sitting on here. So it's nice and it's subtle. I actually like that. I'm gonna step away from it for a second. So that's what it on, that's what it off. So that's what it on, that's what it off. So that's what it on, that's what it off. And then back on. It's pretty clean. You can see it sort of has this little lip that shoots up there. Looks pretty good. So that's what it on and with it off. So that's what it on and with it off. So you can definitely see it takes this lip, makes it a little more dramatic. Let's take the tape off of this and put it on the car. Should be that easy. Finally got all the red off of there. Now let's go ahead and put it on the car. And you can see it just sort of sits on there. And you sort of press it into place. So what you're gonna do is press it and hold it. So let's start from the middle and work our way out. Wow. That already changes the look so much. And it also has this little bit of plastic on here, so we're gonna pull that off. That's just to protect it. All right, gang. Let's take out the final look of it. Yo, stop playing with them. Yo, I told y'all spoiler extension was coming to the GTI. That looks so good. Look at this thing. And the funny thing is, where I had hit it with that Sharpie. Didn't even need to because it was just a protective cover. So this thing is perfect now. All right, so I'm gonna pull it out, get some side shots of it so we can take a look at it up close, personal. Man, this looks so good, I can't even tell you. To be 100% honest, I couldn't be more happier. I actually ended up taking it off, moving it over just a touch before I did the B-roll real quick. I'm in love with the way this thing looks. The fitment of it is really nice. I definitely recommend you get some extra 3M tape, just like what I did. I had to take it off, move it over a bit just to get it the way I liked it. And the extra 3M tape helped because I was able to reapply some 3M. Didn't have to run out to the store and get some. So make sure to check out those links down below. I'm also gonna have this hatch spoiler in the description down below as well. This is your boy G Kid. We signing out with another one from Live Fast. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.
I told you, man, my boy Quan, get me right. You know what it is.
What's going on?
Yeah, getting it right. You know, look at that. How we looking? Much better? Yeah.